yeah. Adi, yeah. Star boy, Liana, The love what you give me, girl, it the hype pass by me. Oh my little girl, you sweet past your love.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Silverlines Beauty Playbook. So if you are watching this video, it's most likely you've watched the first video and was wondering how I got this look today, honey. Yes, this is a makeup tutorial video for you guys today. I know I haven't done one in a while. I was feeling a little funky and I decided to do one today. I am really excited about this pink color because pink is something that I haven't actually worn on my lids before. I feel like I'm more like very fire colors. I never see myself really wearing pink, but you know, it's been trending of lately, so I was like, let me get into it a little bit. And this is my first time highlighting and it's so much fun. I'm not a makeup guru. I don't claim to know how to do anybody's makeup. I do my makeup pretty decently, hopefully, but if you guys are interested in how I got this whole look, please stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Mwah.
Ladies, let's get into this tutorial. I'm going to start off by hydrating my moisturized face with my Mayor Badescu facial spray. My eyebrows are already done in this video. I do have a video on my channel. I'll make sure I put a link to that tutorial in this video for you guys. Starting off with my eyelids, I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. This will help my color pop today. And then creating an even base with my foundation. You can also use concealer for the same process. Now I'm gonna go in with something that I'd seen on Instagram once before, which is using lip color to make your shadow pop. I'm gonna be trying this out with my Lime Crime Velveteen. Important note, please try to ensure that you do not get this into your eyes. I don't believe it burns, but just for safety reasons, being that this is supposed to be for your lips. I let that dry out completely and I go ahead with my eyeshadow tutorial. Now I'm gonna be using my electric palette from Urban Decay and the color is Savage. It's like an electric dusty pink. And then going into my Coastal Scents Reveal palette. This palette does not have names on it, so I'm just gonna have to show you guys the colors that I'm using. I'm going in with this brownish color right over my crease to create some transition in the crease area. And I'm gonna blend that right in. Blending is key, ladies. And then I'm gonna go in with this other color to create more definition in the outer corners of my eyelid. Key here is to apply and blend. You want to blend in that color so that you don't see where it starts or where it ends. Blend, 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 ladies. And then I'm going to go in with my blending brush to blend out everything that I just applied, the outer corners and the inner corners. And also I'm going to go in with this color Jilted from my Electric palette by Urban Decay. And I'm going to use that also as a blending color over my crease area. Blend, blend, blend. Once in a while, you're gonna have to go back in there and reapply certain colors. I'm going back in here with the Savage just to enhance that pink shade. Back into that Reveal palette. I wanted a little bit of shimmer. So we're gonna apply a little bit of shimmer over just the eyelid area. And under my eyebrow area, I'm going to be just cleaning up and highlighting that brow bone area with a neutral concealer base color, I guess. I don't know. And blending after everything, just keep on blending. You want to make sure you blend until you don't see the beginning and the end of your color. Smooth transitions from the lower lids all the way to the top. Now, when it comes down to cleaning up, I have some specks of eyeshadow that tend to fall during the application. I use this to clean up, and I also use this to define the outer corner area. You can use tape to do this, or you can just clean up with your moisturizer and a Q-tip. I'm going to go in with my foundation primer. I'm going to rub that in just like lotion, and I'm going to allow that to dry. Foundation primer is important to allow your foundation stick all day. I use 3 pumps usually and any extras. And I'm going to beat all of that right into the face with my foundation brush. And I'm also going to beat into my hairline. Ladies, this is kind of important. You don't want anybody to see where your foundation stops. So make that foundation look like it's coming straight out of your scalp, honey. Yes. This is something extra I wanted to try. I've seen this on Instagram a lot. Line my lower lids with the color Savage from my Urban Decay palette. You know, something a little extra to do, funk it up a little bit. Also, I went ahead and shaded in my inner tear duct. I don't always do this because this doesn't always turn out right, but you know, for the purpose it did. I don't really need to contour because I already have really big cheekbones, but I wanted some little extra oomph, so I went ahead and put some of this sculpting cream underneath my cheekbones just to make them pop. I did that underneath my cheekbones and also around my jawline, and I just blended that right out. Line my lower lids with my black color eyeliners. And then going in with the wing liner, honey. This is hard to do. You gotta take your time with this wing liner. Like, concentrate, don't breathe, because it's going down. Look, it's really, really hard. Tape will help you line up, but you know, it's something that actually gets better with practice. Just don't try to overcorrect too much when it comes down to wing lining. You know, do the best you can and always try to do better the next time. But I really got this right this time around, and I was really excited about that. Look at that. Look, I didn't even breathe the whole time. So then I'm gonna go ahead and apply in a little bit of blush from Bobbi Brown. This color is Plum 5, and I go into my mascara. I use two different mascaras, one to kind of comb out the lash, and the second one is to really enhance my lashes. I have really short lashes, and this Masseur by Lancome is really, really good. Really good stuff. You should try it out. I got it as a free sample. Going back into my Reveal palette, here comes this highlighting. Look, highlighting is super, super fun. Once you find the right shade for a highlighting, you will highlight everything, and that's exactly what I found myself doing. Look, oh God, so good. Honey, I highlighted my cheekbones, my nostrils, my lips. It's so much fun. I really got into it. Yes. Anyways, back to the tutorial. I went in with my pressed powder by Urban Decay. I use this to also highlight and conceal, kinda, because I don't use concealer. This really helps me do so. Highlight with a powder and keep it pushing. Going in with my Lime Crime color in True Love. This is a very pretty pink. And then again, don't forget to highlight the collarbones. That's really important. And I finished up with my Mary Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray to help set my makeup. Hope you like it.